Evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to BSG News. I am your host Monica Chauhan, and let's look at the top stories for tonight.
65th course for assistant leader trainers of Guide Wing conducted at Pachmadi. Adventure camps were conducted at Pachmadi and Kurseong. Various conducted under UNICEF, Project CLAP and Ticket to Life projects. Earth Day was celebrated across Pan-India. Chhattisgarh State conducted state-level adventure camp. East Central Railway participated in 69th Railway Award Ceremony. Nukkad Natak was conducted at Nahati Railway Station by members Eastern Railway. Fire Safety Awareness Program was conducted at Rasai district of Jammu and Kashmir. Dr. Sukumara inaugurated newly constructed tent base at Kurumthur. Kendriya Vidyalay Sangathan State conducted to Himalaya Wood batch courses. Members of North-Western Railway celebrated World Heritage Day. Southern Railway State organized District Media Coordinators Program. President BSG along with President and State Chief Commissioner of UP BSG met Shri Yogi Adityanath, Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. Now news and details. NTC, Pachmadi. The National Training Center, Pachmadi is conducting the 65th course for assistant leader trainers from 22nd to 28th April 2025 under the leadership of Mrs. Kumud Mehra, in charge Deputy Director of Guides, Leader Training. 56 participants from Gujarat, Karnataka, Kendriya Vidyalay Sangathan, Maharashtra, South Central Railway and Tamil Nadu State Association are participating in the camp. National Adventure Institute, Kurseong. The 87th National Adventure Program was conducted at National Adventure Institute, Darjeeling, Kurseong, West Bengal from 21st to 25th April 2025. 17 participants from Eastern Railway and Uttar Pradesh states participated under the leadership of Shri Vivek Kumar Das, Junior Instructor. National Adventure Institute, Pachmadi. The 520th National Adventure Program and one Special National Adventure Program was conducted at National Adventure Institute, Pachmadi from 21st to 27th April 2024 and 22nd to 26th April 2025. 200 participants from Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Uttarakhand, and Tamil Nadu in these two adventure programs under the leadership of Mrs. Bilkesh Sheikh, in charge Adventure Program Officer. Ticket to Life project. On 18th April 2025, the Ticket to Life unit, in collaboration with the Satwik Soul Foundation, rescued around 4,000 baby turtles at Potmpeta Sea Beach, Ganjam. The rescue operation was conducted by 10 members of the Shrikar Bhanja Open Unit, Ganjam District, Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides, along with 30 volunteers from the Satwik Soul Foundation, led by its founder Shri Satyabratha Samal. Times on the occasion of Earth Day, 22nd April 2025, members of the Ticket to Life unit, Bugura, along with members of the Shrikar Bhanja Open Unit, Ganjam District, participated in a clean beach drive at Potmpeta Sea Beach, Berhampur, Ganjam. They were joined by 30 volunteers from the Satwik Soul Foundation, and the team collectively collected 25 kilograms of plastic waste. CLAP UNICEF project. On the occasion of World Earth Day on 22nd April 2025, under the joint initiative of Bharat Scouts and Guides and UNICEF through Project CLAP, an environmental service activity was conducted at Government Higher Secondary School, Alejri, Balaghat, Madhya Pradesh. Under the guidance of climate change leader Mr. Dolaram Bhagat, members nurtured the trees on the school premises by adding compost, soil, and water. Now states news. Chandigarh. On the occasion of Earth Day, 22nd April 2025, various Scout and Guide units of Chandigarh State Bharat Scouts and Guides organized awareness rallies, poster and slogan writing competitions, and lectures to promote environmental protection and the message of saving the earth. An eye camp for students was organized by Government Model Senior Secondary School, Sector 23/A Chandigarh, in collaboration with Shri Guru Har Rai Charitable Trust. The event was coordinated by Scout Master Shri Dinesh, along with 44 Scouts and Guides, under the guidance of the Principal, Ms. Neena Rastogi. Eye checkups were conducted for approximately 238 students by a team of doctors. Chhattisgarh State Bharat Scouts and Guides organized a state-level adventure hike, personality development, and disaster management camp at village Jalki, Sirpur, District Mahasamund from 15th to 17th April 2025. 37 rovers and 42 rangers from 8 colleges of state participated in the event. The State Executive Committee meeting of Chhattisgarh State Bharat Scouts and Guides was held on 16th April 2025 at the new Circuit House, Raipur. Shri Brijmohan Agrawal, Member of Parliament and Chairman of the State Executive Committee, graced the occasion as the chief guest. State Chief Commissioner Dr. Somnath Yadav presided over the meeting and presented a comprehensive report on the activities conducted over the past year. East Central Railway, the 69th Railway Award Ceremony 2024 was held on 17 April 2025 at the East Central Railway State Headquarters, Hajipur. On this occasion, members of BSG Sonpur district captivated the audience with an outstanding cultural performance. The chief guest of the event was Shri Vivek Bhushan Sood, Divisional Railway Manager, who facilitated members for their services. Eastern Railway on 19 April 2025, the Nahati Group of the Sialdah District Association of Eastern Railway BSG organized a day hike and overnight hike for scouts and guides, covering distances of 15 kilometers and 12 kilometers respectively. On 18 April 2025, 18 members of the Nahati Group, Eastern Railway BSG, participated in a Nukkad Natak at Nahati Railway Station, highlighting the importance of safeguarding heritage during disasters and conflicts. Scout Troop of Vivekanand Scout Group under Lilua District Association of Eastern Railway BSG celebrated Earth Day. Additionally, 90 rovers and rangers who were participating in trekking commuter study camp at Railway also celebrated Earth Day, also switched off line from 8 to 9 p.m. Haryana on 22 April 2025, the Scouts and Guides of M. School, Asand, Karnal of Haryana State Bharat Scouts and Guides celebrated World Earth Day under the leadership of Scout Master Shri Suresh Kumar. To promote environmental awareness, a speech and quiz competition were organized. The school director, Shri R. Bharadwaj, raised awareness about global warming and highlighted the importance of taking proactive steps to protect the environment. Himachal Pradesh, on 22 April 2025, World Earth Day was celebrated at Government Senior Secondary School, Kulawala Bhood, District Sirmaur of Himachal Pradesh BSG. Meanwhile, the Rovers and Rangers of Career Point University, Hamirpur, also marked the occasion with meaningful activities promoting environmental awareness. Additionally, Scouts and Guides of GSSS Surajpur, Urki, District Solan, celebrated Earth Day at the unit level, reinforcing their commitment to nature and sustainability. Jammu and Kashmir, RACI, Fire and Emergency Station Katra organized a demonstration and fire safety awareness program at the fire station, Katra on 17 April 2025 in which members of Jammu and Kashmir State Bharat Scouts and Guides visited the fire station and actively participated in the event. Shopian District of Jammu and Kashmir State Bharat Scouts and Guides organized a grand health awareness event at Cambridge Educational Institute, Nagbal Shopian, on 16 April 2025. Around 150 Scouts and Guides participated, presenting various models on topics such as drug addiction, first aid, and the side effects of pesticides and insecticides. The chief guests for the event were Dr. Tariq Ahmad, Block Development Officer, BDO, Zinapura Chitragam, and Shri Jaspreet Singh, Commanding Officer, 44 RR, Jharkhand. On the occasion of Earth Day, the Scouts and Guides of D. Public School, Barkakna CCL of Jharkhand State, organized a painting competition in which 50 Scouts and Guides participated. The chief guest of the program was the school principal, Shri M. Mustafa. During the event, children learned about conserving Earth's resources. Dr. Shri Suraj Kumar emphasized future campaigns on plastic ban, water harvesting, and pollution. Kerala, a team of 60 rover scouts and 8 unit leaders from Aluva, Kotmangalam, Ernakulam, Chavakkad, Thrissur, Thirur, Thalassery, and Mavelikkara of Kerala State Bharat Scouts and Guides provided service during the Malattur Kurusumudi pilgrimage in 2 phases under the leadership of Mr. Sudhish Kumar, Assistant Leader Trainer, Scout, Assistant Scout Organizing Commissioner. The Mahatma Open Scout Group of the Kerala State Bharat Scouts and Guides organized the inauguration ceremony of their newly constructed tent base at Gandhi Bhavan, Kurumthur. The event was officially inaugurated by Dr. Sukumara, National Commissioner of Scouts, Adult Resources. Shri C. Baburajan, Leader Trainer, Scout, Scout Organizing Commissioner, Scout, graced the occasion as the chief guest. During the ceremony, Rajya Puraskar Award recipients were specially congratulated and honored by the National Commissioner, Adult Resource. Kendriya Vidyalay Sangathan State Bharat Scouts and Guides conducted to Himalaya Wood Batch courses for guide captains and flock leaders at the National Training Center, Pachmadi from 15th to 21st April 2025. In the HWB Guide Captains course, 28 candidates participated under the able leadership of Ms. Asha Krishna Nair, Leader Training, Guide, and State Training Commissioner, Guide. Simultaneously, 11 flock leaders attended the HWB Flock Leaders course, led by Ms. Karima S. Thobani Syed, Leader Training, Bulbul, Madhya Pradesh, Divisional Headquarters Bhopal of Madhya Pradesh State Bharat Scouts and Guides conducted meeting on 22/2025 at the office of the Joint Director, Public Education, Bhopal under the guidance of Joint Director Arvind Chaurgade. The main topics discussed included the organization of summer water service camps, placing water bowls for birds at schools and homes, water service at railway stations, and planning for upcoming hobby camps. On the occasion of World Earth Day, various programs were organized at St. Paul's Senior Secondary School, Civil Line, in Katni City, Madhya Pradesh, based on this year's theme, Our Planet, Our Power. About 250 scouts and guides participated in the program. Pratishtha Academy, a reputed private school in Rehli, Madhya Pradesh, organized an educational tour to Delhi for 51 members including scouts and guides. On 22 April 2025, the delegation visited the national headquarters of the Bharat Scouts and Guides, where the tour concluded. The event was graced by chief guests Shri S. Prasanna Srivastav, Special Director, Shri Bablu Goswami, Assistant Director Projects, and Shri Analendra Sarma, Assistant Director Youth Program, North Frontier Railway. Members of the New Jalpaiguri District Association of the Northeast Frontier Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides came together to celebrate Bengali New Year with great enthusiasm. Cubs, Bulbuls, Scouts, Guides, Rovers, Rangers, and unit leaders exchanged warm wishes to mark the occasion. As part of the celebration, a greeting card making competition was organized at the District Scout Hut, where members showcased their creativity and festive spirit. Northwestern Railway, on 18/2025, Northwestern Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides organized the World Heritage Day celebration at the Coach Care Complex, Sikh Line, Railway Colony, Jaipur. The event was presided over by Shri Vikas Purwar, DRM, and attended by Shri Sanjeev Dikshit, ADRM's Operations, DCC, and other officials. On 22 April 2025, on the occasion of World Mother Earth Day, the General Manager Shri Amitabh, Northwestern Railway started the Parinda Abhiyan for birds in the summer season under the aegis of Northwestern Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides and Headquarters LA. On this occasion, State Chief Commissioner and CPRO Shri Shashi Kiranand Headquarter Local Association were present. Northeastern Railway, on 22 April 2025, to mark Earth Day, the Northeastern Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides organized a special program featuring Clap 2.0 Harita Sankalp. Scouts and Guides actively participated by planting trees, conducting cleanliness drives, removing waste, and pledging their commitment to environmental protection. CLAP leaders from all district associations of Northeastern Railway took part in the initiative, which was coordinated by Himanshu Bharadwaj. Odisha, under SDG No. 13, Climate Action. Scouts, Guides, Rovers, Rangers, and unit leaders from various districts of Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides organized impactful summer service initiatives. In Nimpara and Kalahandi, they conducted a Jal Seva Sibira, water service camp, distributing sweet curd water and lemon mint water to promote hydration and climate awareness. On 15 April 2025, 36 rovers and rangers from Puri district rendered service and distributed curd water during the Ma Mangala Jatra at Kakatpur. Meanwhile, 58 members from DAV Public School, Barhampur supported the Buddhi Thakurani Yatra through crowd management, prasad distribution, and cleanliness drives. These efforts highlighted community care and climate responsibility. Rajasthan on 19 April 2025, members of the Rajasthan State Bharat Scouts and Guides, under the leadership of Shri Basant Kumar Lata, CO, Scout, and Shri O.P. Regar, Scout Master, met the Hobiali Chief Minister Bhajanlal Sharma and former MP Shri Sumidhanand Saraswati in Sikar district. They briefed the Chief Minister on the commendable performances and contributions made during the Jamboree. On 22 April 2025, on the occasion of World Earth Day, a Parinda campaign was organized in Dungarpur, Rajasthan, under the aegis of the Forest Department. The event was graced by Chief Guest Shri Hanuman Singh Rathod, Chief Executive Officer, along with Shri A. Rangaswamy, Divisional Forest Officer, Dungarpur. CO Scout Shri Sunil Kumar Soni informed about the Parinda campaign which has been launched across all Eco Club schools in the district. South East Central Railway under the joint aegis of the Personnel, Medical, and Engineering Departments of South East Central Railway, Bilaspur Division, and the Bharat Scouts and Guides, District Headquarters Bilaspur, a grand cleanliness awareness rally was organized in the railway colonies of Bilaspur on 18 April 2025 as part of the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, Clean India Mission. The program was conducted under the guidance of Additional Divisional Railway Manager Shri Yogesh Kumar Devangan, Senior Divisional Commercial Manager, Coordination, and District Commissioner, Scouts, Shri Anurag Singh, and other officials. South Eastern Railway. The Adra District Association of South Eastern Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides observed World Heritage Day on 18 April 2025 by organizing a visit to the historic Virasat Bhavan in Adra. To mark the occasion, a drawing competition and a quiz on heritage awareness were also conducted. A total of 42 members participated in the program. Southern Railway. The Southern Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides organized District Media Coordinators and OYMS training program on 11 April 2025 at Palghat. Shri Karthikeyan Principal RHS SPGT inaugurated the program and Shri Ganeshamurthy District Secretary PGT and AP OPGT preside over the program. DOCAs, DTCAs and Membership Growth Coordinators meet was organized on 10 April 2025 at Palghat. Shri Anil Kumar District Chief Commissioner PGT and ADR MPGT inaugurated the program and Shri Karthikeyan Principal RHS SPGT preside over the program. 5 staff members and 40 members participated in the meet. Tamil Nadu Maharshi District of Tamil Nadu State Bharat Scouts and Guides inaugurates new unit at MVM, Erkot. A new Scouts and Guides unit, MVM, Erkot, Scout Group and MVM, Erkot, Guide Group on 17th, 2025 which was graced by Shri D. Purnachandran, District Secretary. Maharshi District also conducted Rajya Puraskar Testing Camp, Zone 3, from April 21 to 23, 2025, at MVM Hosur. The camp was attended by 58 scouts, 27 guides, 10 unit leaders, and 4 staff members. Cubs, Bulbuls, Scouts, and Guides of SKP Vanitha International School of Tamil Nadu State Bharat Scouts and Guides participated in a health and hygiene awareness camp held at RNG Government Middle School, located in a rural village. As part of the event, they also extended the health and hygiene awareness initiative to Agram School, distributing awareness materials to students of the government middle schools. Mrs. Bola Carolina, LT, G, District Secretary inspired the participants with an encouraging and motivational speech. Uttar Pradesh on 21 April 2025, Dr. Anil Kumar Jain, President of the Bharat Scouts and Guides, along with Dr. Mahendra Singh, President of BSG Uttar Pradesh, and Dr. Prabhat Kumar, State Chief Commissioner of BSG Uttar Pradesh, met the Honorable Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Shri Yogi Adityanath Ji, regarding the upcoming Jamboree. The meeting was productive, with detailed discussions held on all aspects of hosting the event. Uttarakhand. The annual meeting of Uttarakhand State Bharat Scouts and Guides was held in Champawat district on 9 April 2025. The meeting was conducted under the chairmanship of the Chief Commissioner Chief Education Officer, Shri Mehraban Singh Bisht, and was coordinated by District Secretary, Shri Daya Krishna Joshi. The event was attended by District Commissioners, along with officials. West Central Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides, Bhopal Division, launched a free summer water service at Bhopal and Itarsi stations on 15 April 2025. This service will continue for the next 2 months, until 15 June 2025, in which about 50 scouts, guides, rovers, rangers and leaders render their services. The program was inaugurated at Itarsi Railway Station in the presence of Station Master Shri S. Roy and other officials of Itarsi Station. Similarly, at Bhopal Railway Station, the service was launched in the presence of Station Master Shri R. Mishra and other officials. Tripura. On the occasion of World Earth Day, observed on 22 April 2025, the guides troop of Vani Vidyapeeth Girls HS School, Agartala, under the Tripura State Bharat Scouts and Guides, organized a tree plantation program within the school premises. The event was conducted under the leadership of Seema Majumdar, guide captain, along with the support of other teachers. New circular issue circular number 71 revised National Youth Adventure Program at National Youth Complex, Gatpuri, District, Palwal, Haryana from April 2025 to March 2026. Circular number 72 revised National Youth Adventure Program at Manali, Himachal Pradesh from April 2025 to March 2026. Circular number 73 celebration of Earth Day and World Environment Day, Harita Sankalp. Circular number 74 9th Friends of Asia Pacific WAGS, FAPW, Regional Gathering from 19 to 21st August 2025 at New Delhi. Circular number 75, National Level Trekking Environment Awareness Program for Senior Scouts, Senior Guides, Rovers and Rangers, Surkunda Devi Temple, Uttarakhand State. Circular number 76, National Youth Adventure Program at Morni Hills, Panchkula, Haryana during 2025 to 26. Circular number 77, World No Tobacco Day on 31st May 2025. Circular number 78, Rescheduling of dates, Capacity Building Workshop for RMC and SMC. For more news, please visit the Bharat Scouts and Guides website www.beasgindia.org. Stay tuned with us through the YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram and other social media sites of the Bharat Scouts and Guides, National Headquarters.
Thank you.